Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Update. So right here on today's update, I'm going to show you on how you can claim free SHIBA INU for yourself. As you can see right here on this screenshot, I was able to receive about 500,000 SHIBA INU directly into my Trust wallet. And also I'm going to show you on how you can do this for yourself. Now the method is easy. It's actually a free Telegram bot. As you can see, I dropped the link to the Telegram bot right here on our Telegram channel, and you're simply going to get into this link. And once you get into this link, you just simply need to complete tax. You don't pay anything at all. Now this is totally free. As you can see, I mentioned right here, it is a free airdrop. You do not need to pay anything. Simply get into it, complete taxes, and once you are done complete taxes, you can withdraw the free SHIBA INU up to 1 million SHIBA INU directly into your Trust wallet. So let's get into today's update. But before that, you're welcome to the channel. Make sure you like, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, because every day I drop updates on how you can make money online from crypto, on how you can earn free crypto like this from free airdrops or from crypto mining. As you can see right here, we are able to earn about $200 worth of BNB per day simply by mining crypto. Also, you have other updates like crypto staking and also trading meme coins to make like 100 to 10x profit. So stay tuned, make sure you're subscribed, and also make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you a way you can generate lots and lots and lots of SHIBA INU as I did for myself right here. So let's get into it. Okay, so now the first thing you simply need to do is to get the airdrop link. Now to get that airdrop link, you'll find it down in the description of this video. You'll find a link to my blog where you'll find the full details and description and instruction on how you can join this particular airdrop. Also, you can join my Telegram channel, is down below. On my Telegram channel, I have over 30k subscribers, as you can see right here. Okay, 28k subscribers, and right here on this Telegram channel, I drop day-to-day updates on how you can make money online from crypto. I do not post a lot on YouTube, but right here on my Telegram, you will be updated. Also, you can actually contact me on WhatsApp if you have any more questions. So let's get into this. So right now, get into the blog. The link is down below. Once you get into it, head over to the blog, then you open the link. Now, once you open the link, it will direct you to the airdrop, which will direct you to Telegram, and this is actually the link. And once you get over to the booth, you sign up and you get started. So let's quickly do that. Okay, so right now I'm back into the booth. As you can see, I've actually started this booth before, so I've actually been completing taxes and withdrawals and all that. So right now, the first thing you need to do when you start up the booth is you need to join the following channels, and after joining these channels, you click on start earning. So it's actually easy to join this channel. Simply click on join our Telegram. You make sure you join the airdrop updates channel. Then you click on the sponsors channel. Actually, I am actually a sponsor. Simply click on join. Right now we have joined this channel. Head over to the next channel and follow on Instagram. So click on it. It will open on Instagram and you simply need to follow. See, it opens up an Instagram post and you simply need to hit the follow button. Also, after hitting the follow button, also like the post right here, and you head back on Telegram. So now we're back on Telegram. Next thing you need to do is to follow on sponsors Instagram. Click on it and follow it up sponsors. So right now it opens up the sponsors Instagram page. Simply hit the follow button and that's all. Head back to Telegram. And then you have other channels you should follow up. You should subscribe to the channel 1 as stated here. Make sure you join this channel. Join the channel 2. As you can see, I just clicked on the join button. Also join the channel 3. As you can see, I just clicked on the join button. And then you also join the transaction channel. Now all these channels are very important, because if you do not actually join this channel, you will not be allowed to proceed. So now I've done this, I'm going to click on the start earning button. Now I click on the start earning button. It tells me that I have 6 taxes available. Now I've completed lots of taxes on this platform, you understand, and because I've completed lots of taxes, normally when you sign up as a default user, you have about 14 taxes. Then every single day, after completing your 14 taxes, every single day 7 new taxes will be uploaded to you that you can actually complete and earn more SHIBA. So for today, I've completed 1 of the 7, and now I have 6 taxes. So now to complete more tax and earn, simply click on earn per tax. And now once you click on MP tax, it directs you to a tax like this now. So now what you simply need to do, you need to complete this tax. And as you can see, for completing this tax, I earn a little bit of SHIBA INU, but at least it's free, and about 50 SHIBA INU. So right now it tells me to simply click the button and follow the Instagram page. So I'm simply going to do that right now. I'm simply going to click here, click on open. Now it directs me to the Instagram page. As you can see, I'm already following this Instagram page, so there's no problem there. I need to head back on Telegram. And now I head back on Telegram. It tells me submit your Instagram username. So my Instagram username, I'm going to quickly submit it in right here. Now I've typed in my Instagram username, I'm going to submit it. And now I've done that, it tells me that I have been rewarded with 50 extra SHIBA INU, and my total balance of SHIBA INU right now is 570. Now I still have more taxes to complete. I'm simply going to click on the end per tax and I can complete more and more and more and more taxes, and I get rewarded. Now another way you can actually earn is simply by clicking on the claim daily bonus. Now once you click on the claim daily bonus, it tells you, it pops up an info for you. It tells you that for claiming your daily bonus, you receive 1000 coins, not just the the little 50 shipping. No, you receive 1000 bonus coins, and you can claim this daily bonus once every 24 hours. It tells you that you'll be directed to where you will sign up, and you have 60 seconds to interact with the website you're told to sign up. Then after that, you'll be approved on Telegram. You can then come back to your Telegram. You need to come back to Telegram yourself, then you proceed. So we're simply going to click on your claim daily bonus. Now we're going to open this link right now. Now it opens up a page for us right now, and it tells us to click here to claim the daily bonus. As you can see, there is a counter of 60, so we need to wait 60 seconds. We need to interact with the site for 60 seconds. After that 60 seconds, we can head back and we claim our daily bonus. So simply click on claim now. Okay, so it redirects us to our Chrome browser. Now, remember, you still do have 60 seconds, so make sure you do not go anywhere. Interact with this site, sign up to the site as you are told to, and it's that easy. So right now, it tells us we should simply sign up to this website, add in all your details, add in your password. Remember, you have 60 seconds to do this, so you need to be quick and get things done immediately. So right now I've added in a proper username, I've added in my email, and I've added in my password. So I'm simply going to click on create account and then we'll proceed. Now it tells me congratulations, your registration was successful, and then we head over to the next step. Now I'll fully sign up into an account on this platform. Now I do not actually need to make use of this plan. I just need to interact with it to make sure that I actually claim my bonus, like it's a tax from the airdrop boot. So you need to interact with the website, and I think I have done that properly. You can actually look at the website to see what it offers. As you can see, is a website where you complete tax and earn. That is not necessary. I've completed my tax. So right now I'm going to head back to Telegram. I need to first of all make sure that I've interacted with this website for 60 seconds. That is a minute. And I'm going to head back to Telegram and claim my bonus for myself. So right now, let's get back on Telegram. So right now, as you can see, it tells us to return to Telegram. So I'm simply going to return to my Telegram. As you can see, it tells me that I receive 1000 coins, and I can now refer friends and and earn more for myself. So right now, open up your menu. Now the next thing you simply need to do for you to be able to withdraw directly from this platform. Okay, but before I show you how I can actually withdraw, let's check my total balance right now. Okay, right now I've received about 1570 coins. So right now I've received about 1570 coins just before you guys. If I want to receive more coins, I can actually click on earn per tax, and I can complete much more taxes and earn more coins all for free. But right now, let's quickly withdraw this little amount of coins before you guys to show you this platform actually works. So right now, I'm simply going to set my wallet. Click on set wallet. Now it tells you to add your Binance BEG20 wallet address. This is very important. Make sure you add the correct wallet address. I'm going to head over to my Trust wallet, copy my wallet address and paste it right here. As you can see right now, what I have here is my SHIBA INU wallet. I'm going to click on receive. This is my Trust wallet. Click on copy, and right now I've copied it. Now I'm back on Telegram, and the next thing I simply need to do is to paste it right here. I've pasted it in this wallet address, and right now I can simply withdraw. So I'm going to click on the withdraw button. And as you can see, once you click on the withdraw button, it pops up this menu, and this menu tells you that you should follow this channel. So follow this Instagram channel. It seems you are actually following this channel already. Okay, this is our main channel already, so make sure you follow it. As you can see, I'm actually following this channel. Head back on Telegram, join the next channel. Now you are assigned to also join this TikTok page. Make sure you follow it as well. So right now, simply hit the follow button and we have followed this page. Then you head back on Telegram, join the other channels. Then you can simply withdraw your earnings. So right now, the other channels you should join are the YouTube channel and also this Telegram channel. And now once you have done this, I have done that myself already. Once you have done this, simply hit the check button. And once you hit the check button, it assigns you to the next step. Now, the next thing it tells you to do is that you should reach out on WhatsApp. Then you should also save, okay, this particular contact info. So right now, make sure you do contact them on WhatsApp. I've actually gone through this step myself. Now for you guys, make sure you do contact them on WhatsApp. Once you contact them on WhatsApp, you paste in your phone number for verification. Now this phone number for verification will actually ascertain if you actually saved their contact, because they just require you to save their contact. So simply do that, save the contact, and then you proceed. Okay guys, so right now I've done that successfully. Now it tells us to also share this particular WhatsApp post on our WhatsApp status. So make sure you copy this post right here. Once you copy this post right here, head over to your WhatsApp status and post it right there. Also, it tells us to share it to at least 5% and share it to a group. Now after doing this, you need to also submit your phone number once again. So make sure you guys complete this step successfully for you to be able to be approved to withdraw your earnings. Now, once you have done this and you have shared it to 5 people, you have posted it on your status, and you have shared it to at least a group as it was stated right here, the next thing you simply need to do is to paste in your phone number, head over to the next step, and cash out all your earnings instantly. Okay guys, as you can see, I have completed all the steps successfully. I have added in my phone number, I have added in everything that I was told to add, and also I've requested to withdraw all my earnings. So right now, my current balance is only 1,570, and I can actually withdraw this instantly. If you wish to earn more from this Telegram bot, simply by hitting this earn per tax, you get to earn more. But for now, let's quickly withdraw this. So I'm going to be withdrawing 1,500 coins right now to make sure this platform actually works. So we are simply going to wait for the bot to process the transaction and send us 1,500 SHIBA INU coins to our Trustwallet app. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's that easy. Right now I have been successfully withdrawn. Okay, I've successfully withdrawn about 1,000, over 1,000 coins from this particular airdrop. I withdraw about 1,500 SHIBA INU. This is the transaction ID. So the next thing I need to do is to head over to my Trust Wallet and confirm if truly I receive the SHIBA INU into my wallet. So let's quickly do that. So as you can see right here, it shows that I received about 1,500 SHIBA INU into my Trust Wallet. This was the time, and I actually processed 2 transactions on this. As you can see, it came from the same wallet address. I received about 1,500 SHIBA INU just within few minutes of actually clicking on buttons, completely few tags, and I was able to receive this amount of coins. Now imagine what I could have earned if I actually spent more time on this Telegram bot. So that is how you can actually claim a lot of SHIBA INU for yourself. Now, I'm still going to make a full tutorial on this particular Telegram bot on how you can actually generate millions and lots of referrals, unlimited referrals on this particular Telegram bot. When you generate referrals on a particular bot on any type of platform at all, you get to earn tokens. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to show you a way you can generate unlimited referrals from 1,000 referrals to 100,000, millions of referrals, and you know that for every referral you make, you get to earn something for it. So it is that easy, and I'm going to show you a method on how you can actually do this. I want you to be able to generate lots and lots and lots of coin for yourself and get to earn big from this type of free platform. As you can see, we didn't pay anything into this platform. It was actually free. We simply completed few taxes, did what we were supposed to do, and we earned. So it's that easy. Make sure you get into it. Make sure you sign up to the airdrop updates and Telegram bot. The link is down in the description. Sign up, start earning, and also do me the favor, hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button, and stay tuned to crypto updates. And make sure you do not miss the next upcoming update on how you can make up to $200 to $300 for free from this particular airdrop simply by generating unlimited amount of referrals. Stay tuned, and I'll see you on the very next update.